In the TIA Portal project with a network drive object, switch to the project view. Expand the desired drive object listing in the project tree and double-click Online and Diagnostics. Check the communication settings and click the Go Online button. The Online and Diagnostics window opens. Expand the Diagnostics menu. The Diagnostics General window provides worthwhile information regarding the drive object. The Active Messages window provides listings of all active faults and alarms. And the Message History window provides listings of past occurrences. The Control and Status Word window provides selectable listings of control and status words and provides actual bit status with pilot light type indicators. The Drive Enable Signals window provides actual status of the drive enables, which can be a very useful troubleshooting tool. If safety features are activated, this screen will provide diagnostic information regarding Safety Integrated. With the drive in an off state, the drive name and IP address can be changed. Take care because communication will be lost if these parameters are changed. These functions would normally be done upon initial commissioning, not in an operating system. The Backing Up Reset screen allows you to save RAM to ROM, restore factory settings, save to and restore from the memory card. When finished with diagnostics, go offline with the device. Online and Diagnostics is a very useful tool in troubleshooting and setup.